Meet Cassandra, an imaginative fifth grader dreaming of becoming an engineer. But her school doesn't have the resources to teach the digital skills she'll need for her future, a reality many schools face. That's where BootUp comes in. With professional development and resources, we empower teachers to bring computer science to students like Cassandra, unlocking a world of possibilities. With each BootUp lesson, Cassandra's confidence grows, and her dream of becoming an engineer feels closer. Her eyes widen with excitement each time she completes a coding project. Cassandra's story is just one of many, and this is where you come in. Donate today. Your donation ensures that children from your community and around the nation have the opportunity to thrive in our digital world. Your generosity opens doors, ignites passions, and supports dreams across America.